unboxing the Chauvet DJ EZLink PAR Q6BT. Welcome back to my channel, Real Life DJ. JP here, and in this video I'm unboxing the Chauvet DJ PAR Q6BT, which is the first part of my new 2022 setup. As part of my update for my lighting for 2022, I decided that I wanted to add some new lights, replacing some of my older ones. Having looked around at options, I thought I'd give the Chauvet DJ EZLink PAR Q6BT a go, as these are 100% wireless, battery powered and controlled wirelessly through the Bluetooth BT Air app, and that is available for both Android and Apple devices. Let's grab the light now and let's give it a go. Let's unbox this. Right, you bear with me a second. Let's get this open. Right, okay, in here we have the straightforward instruction manual, stickers and so on, as you get. Inside here, nice and easy, power cable for charging, obviously, because it's fully battery operated. And here it is. Let's get rid of all of these for the moment, so we don't need them. And let's have a look at this. Well, these look nice. So decent size LEDs on there, obviously 6 of those. It feels chunky, doesn't feel like it's flimsy at all. Okay, I've got my, on the one side here, I've got the DMX in, DMX out. There's a mounting bracket if I want to skew them, if I put them up high. On and off, power in, power out for the linking, and the normal menu system. Obviously, the battery for it's in here, and it's wireless and Bluetooth. Has got the name on the side, so I can adjust that, put that like that. There we go. First off, a big thank you to Ron Muller of Sound Innovations, who sourced these two for me without delay. Sound Innovations contact details can be found in the description. The Chauvet DJ EZLink PAR Q6BT is a 100% true wireless battery operated PAR light and has quad colour LEDs, RGBA, that's red, green, blue and amber, with full colour mixing. These EZLink PAR Q6BT lights can be controlled directly from a smartphone or a tablet without any additional hardware. They have a host of effects, sound active options and automatic programs. They have a runtime of about 20 hours maximum between charges and an expected life of around about 50,000 hours. I'm starting off with 2 of these EZLink PAR Q6BT lights. They'll be located either in my totems on my larger setups or mounted on speaker poles, providing a wash to the dance floor on my compact setups. I will do a follow-up video shortly about connecting these lights and some of the other BT Air Chauvet DJ lights. The video will be about using them with the BT Air app, so watch out for those very soon. I think you'll like what you'll see. Don't forget to like the video if you've not done so already. Share to your social media of choice. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It's really appreciated. And an extra thank you to everybody who's subscribed. You know who you are. Don't forget to, if you're not subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. And hit that bell so you get notified next time one of my videos goes live. Until next time, thanks a lot. JP out.